And what do you use this bit of equipment primarily for then?
If you look at that statue I did, see that big metal plate?
Oh right.
I've put 19mm holes through that, and you won't do that by hand, or so you need the pillar drill. Pillar drill, the drive belt broke, so that gives you up and down. That's your motor. Winds that cog there, or tooth pulley, groove pulley even, turns that one, changes speeds by moving the belt up and down, but you should be able to undo that, lock that, and then just push that backwards or forwards, and that motor should slide in and out to tension the belt.
And
but it's all seized up somewhere, so you can put your material either in the vise and hold it. You can set that up for angles that way. You can move that around like that. Like I say, if you undo that one, you can twist the bed that way. You can wind the bed up and down, so you can get all sorts of bits and pieces in there. You put a normal chuck in it like that. That's called a Morse taper. You get different sizes of them, which that's a hand adjust, so you tighten up on your drills by hand. It's your big heavy duty one. That'll go from 1mm up to 16mm. But if you want bigger drills, these are called your Morse taper, and they're locked in there. See that bar there, that's the tip of that there. You can get reducers, and so you can put all different sizes in it. If you want to get it out, you just pop that in there, give that a tap, and then you get drills with those on the end, so they'll hold in the chuck.
It's like just an industrial drill.
Yeah, it's just a bigger size drill.
So what's the matter with it then?
Belt broke, and like I say, you can't adjust it anymore, so you've got to take this top off and see what's going on inside there, because I think, if I remember rightly, you undo the lock nut and that lever there should pull it in and out on those bars, but it's so old it's probably seized up solid in there somewhere, so you've got to get this top cover off to have a look and see what's in there.
Okay.
Jiggle around.
It's not exactly fluid, is it?
That's good enough. So you put your belt on there, tension it slightly, do your lock nut up, and that's it. If I can find what I've done with a lock nut.
I thought you said love nut.
Lock nut. There's not a lot of that going on around here.
Next week on the workshop.
So say I wanted 35 degrees all in, ignition timing, yeah? So you could mark your top dead centre, dial that to 35 degrees, hold it at 3000 revs, and if those two marks line up, then you know you're bang on your timing, because you set it on the gun as opposed to doing it on. It's a more accurate way of doing it.